First Drop Wines Matt Chardonnay. Freshness and also those evocative brioche and creamy characters that Chardonnay can give us. Yeah, delicious with the next dish that we're going to cook. Char grilled Tabasco prawns. Tabasco sauce, fish sauce, sesame oil and soy sauce, lemon, garlic, fresh chilli, ginger, basil, coriander, mint, parsley. South Australian king prawns, raw or green. Try to get the largest prawns you can. So with a sharp knife and start cutting from the head, straight down the prawn, right through the meat to the tail. So the next stage is to prepare the dipping sauce. Very, very simple. About 100 mils of vegetable oil and about the same of lemon juice. So what we want to do is put enough sesame oil in the dressing so we can taste it, but it doesn't predominate. Drop of soy sauce, this is really salty, and for a little bit of other layer of salt, some fish sauce. Garlic, some torn basil leaf, coriander, I love coriander, so just coarsely tear some beautifully aromatic coriander, some parsley, fresh mint. I wish you could smell this, it's really super duper aromatic. So we're good to go. You can use a gas barbecue, but I strongly suggest using charcoal. Charcoal's best, so we just lit the barbecue probably about half an hour, 45 minutes prior. It's now ready. You can see the coals are pretty hot. Legs down. It's a fair bit of heat, so this will cook really quickly. Secret ingredient, and my favourite ingredient in Bloody Marys is Tabasco sauce. If you like spice, go your hardest. So there's no other seasoning, you don't need salt, you don't need pepper, you don't need any other chilli, just Tabasco sauce. Rock and roll. I like to cook them right through because you get a nice bit of smokiness, a bit of char from the shell. So keep the prawns upright, do not turn them the other way, because what you'll do is you'll dry them out. Bathe our prawns in our delicious and aromatic sauce. Cover them with some of the herbs and the sauce, and just let them sit in here for about a minute. And then we're good to go, we're ready to serve. This is a hit at all my family barbecues. Speaks of Australia, speaks of summer. Okay, let's go and eat.
What do you call that, Dave?
These are my Tabasco prawns in an Asian sauce, and I think they're brilliant with First Drop Merrifield Adelaide Hills Chardonnay. I'm just going to pick up a prawn and eat it. Cheers. There he is. Thank your mother for the rabbits when you see him.